Today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. We're talking about high ticket, low ticket, and recurring affiliate commissions and how that can help you generate passive income streams. Welcome to my channel. I'm Brandon Kyle. If you're new here, I talk about making money online, side hustles, and other tips and tricks so that you can build an online business. So today we're not looking at one specific product, but we're going to be looking at, in general, a variety of products that exist in different categories from low ticket to high ticket and recurring, and how that actually will help you build an online business. So let's get right into it. So if you haven't gotten my ebook, this is one of the topics that I discuss, and now we have a nice video format that's going to be a little more expanded to discuss this topic. If you'd like to get that ebook, you can click the link below into your email address and it'll be sent to you right away. All right, so we've got three categories: low ticket, high ticket, and the recurring commissions. So low ticket affiliate marketing would be making smaller commissions on cheaper products. High ticket means you're going to be making a commission on a higher ticket item, usually in the hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. And then recurring commissions are something that happen each month. So if you haven't seen my video on Amazon Affiliates Program, you can go watch this video right here and I'll put a card up there for you. So the Amazon Affiliate Program is a really good example of low ticket affiliate marketing. Now, what they offer is 1 to 10%, depending on what product and particular category you're recommending in, of the sale that you make from promoting their products. So if we know that on average, most people spend $20 to $50 each time they shop on Amazon, and you're making 10% of that, that means you'd make about a $5 commission per sale. Now, you might get lucky and someone buys hundreds of dollars or maybe even a $1,000 purchase, which is random and rare, but you could make a pretty good commission on one of those items. High ticket affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is making a commission on a product that costs hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So that includes luxury travel, maybe even luxury hotel vacation packages. Legendary Marketer is a great example of that, right? So you're going to be making 10, 20, maybe even a 50% commission on a product. Let's say it costs $500, right? You made a $250 commission from recommending that product. So the allure there is that the more people you get to purchase these high-end products, the more money that you can make, right? When it comes to recurring commissions, what that is you're making an affiliate commission for something that is subscription based. So that could be video hosting like Vimeo. ClickFunnels is one of the programs that I recommend, right? And it's what I use to build my funnels on my website. It's $97 a month, maybe a monthly subscription, etc. So for me, I use a combination of all three of these. Low ticket affiliate marketing, I use Amazon's affiliate program to recommend different products on this YouTube channel, such as the items I use to create these videos. Or on one of my other channels, I'm recommending different Amazon products for fitness and outdoor and mountain biking, right? And I make some small commissions on that. The high ticket affiliate marketing comes in when I recommend programs like ClickFunnels or Legendary Marketer, right? Legendary Marketer has products in excess of thousands of dollars, and when I make sales on those products, I make a 50% commission on those. And then the recurring is the interesting one. When I first started affiliate marketing, one of my first commissions was a recurring commission. Someone had signed up to a marketing club, and I make $20 per month every month that they stay enrolled in the marketing club. Now this can add up quickly, right? So it's $20 a month. That's not very much, but it's better than zero. But if I get 5 or 6 or 7 people signed into these different recurring products, that's an easy $150 to $200 a month. Could an extra $200 a month change your life? It changes mine. That's $200 less I actually have to physically work for. So I think the big question here before we close out is, how do you find out what products are high ticket versus low ticket, and which one is the best one to promote? So depending on your market or your niche, you're going to need to do a little bit of research to see what products are available and which ones that you think are going to provide the most value to your customers. From there, you can start to research each company and their payouts and their programs that they have for affiliate marketing. But I highly recommend picking products that you know work and deliver as promised, instead of just focusing on how much you're going to make. Hopefully that gives you a better idea of low ticket, high ticket, and recurring affiliate commissions. If you're new here, once again, my name is Brandon Kyle. If you could hit the subscribe button, that would be great. And if you have any questions, feel free to put those below. I'll see you in another video.